Maria Anna Angelika Kauffmann was born October 30, 1741, died November 5, 1807, usually known in English as Angelica Kauffmann. Was a Swiss neoclassical painter who had a successful career in London and Rome. Remembered primarily as a history painter, Kauffmann was a skilled portraitist, landscape and decoration painter. She was, along with Mary Moser, one of two female painters among the founding members of the Royal Academy in London in 1768. While Kauffmann produced portraits and self-portraits, she identified herself primarily as a history painter, an unusual designation for a woman artist in the 18th century. Despite Kauffmann's popularity in British society and her success there as an artist, she was disappointed by the relative apathy of the British towards history painting. Ultimately, she left Britain for Rome, where history painting was better established, held in higher esteem and patronized. History painting, as defined in academic art theory, was classified as the most elevated category. Its subject matter was the representation of human actions based on themes from history, mythology, literature, and scripture. This required extensive learning in biblical and classical literature, knowledge of art theory and practical training that included the study of anatomy from the male nude. Most women were denied access to such training, especially the opportunity to draw from nude models, yet Kauffmann managed to cross the gender boundary. It is unclear as to how she gained the knowledge of the male anatomy that she had, but there is speculation that she studied plaster casts of statues. The male characters in her artworks are seen as being more feminine than most painters would choose to display, which may be a result of her lack of formal training in male anatomy. By the time of her death she had made herself what she considered to be a renowned artist. This explains why her funeral was directed by the well-known neoclassical sculptor Antonio Canova. Canova designed her funeral based on the funeral of the Renaissance master Raphael.